The Sash Window Workshop specialise in traditional timber windows and doors. We were recently contacted by a couple in Buckinghamshire who were looking to replace several of the timber windows and a door in their property. On making their inquiry, they were assigned to one of our sales surveyors, who arranged a visit to discuss their requirements, assess the windows and door, and provide them with a quotation for the work. The quotation was then reviewed by the couple and potential options were discussed with our sales surveyor before an order was placed for a timber back door and 21 replacement wooden windows, comprising of a mixture of single windows, double windows, and bay windows. The door and windows were manufactured in our workshop in Berkshire using a timber called Accoya, which comes with a 50-year anti-rot guarantee. Internally, the windows and door were painted in our standard white, and a bespoke green paint chosen by the customer was applied externally. The installation was carried out by our installation team over 2 weeks, with our site manager visiting the property to check that the installation was progressing smoothly. Since installing the new windows and door, the look of the property has been considerably enhanced by beautiful, firmly efficient wooden windows and doors.